410 add-on protected.
Imagine coming
Don't
home
see
with a
it,
flight
but yeah,
taxi,
yes, possible.
landing right on your building's helipad.
Living in the future. It's now possible with Bays 102 by Danu Properties Dubai. Bays 102 brings ultra luxury homes in Dubai's prime location. Business Bay, fully furnished with premium Italian Dolce Vita furnishings. 40 plus amenities, a private pool in your balcony with Burj Khalifa and Dubai Canal views, and exclusive access to helipad, all at 1% per month payment plan. Bays 102 by Danu Properties Dubai. For more information, visit danuproperties.com.
Exciting news! East London's brand new state-of-the-art Palms Hotel in Hornchurch is now open, featuring 3 custom-built banqueting suites for 100 to 650 guests. We're also registered for civil ceremonies and offer on-site dining with a stylish restaurant and bar.
Aman
And
Deni,
in-house catering by world-renowned chefs with 150 chic bedrooms. Your comfort is assured. For bookings, call 0208 089 4444 or visit palmshotel.co.uk.
Exciting news! ICICI Bank UK has opened 3 business hubs near you to cater to your UK and India banking requirements. We are now present at Milton Keynes, MK9 2UB, Reading, RG1 3EU and Tooting SW18 1UQ. In addition to our 7 existing branches, these 3 business hubs are equipped to resolve your banking needs in India and UK. Call 0344 412 4444 or visit icicibank.co.uk.
ICICI Bank UK PLC is authorised by the PRA and regulated by the FCA and
For the first time in the UK history, AIHL Accident Injury Helpline presents a family quiz and musical show, Jito London. Come and win big
Jito
prizes.
Pakistan
Hosted
Jito
by
London
Ethan Khan and Matira on the 21st of December 2024 at the prestigious Mayfair venue in Romford. Organised by the Creative Team Events and Top Star Entertainment. Book your seat on Eventbrite or for sponsorship call on 07 949 250 376.
Thinking of changing your boiler?
Sir, stop का सर वापसी से बना रहा है और सारे गुजरना ना
0208 150 2025. That is 0208 150 2025.
Airline partner, Air India with 53 non-stop flights a week from London Heathrow, Gatwick and Birmingham. Book Air India with Citybond Travel today by calling us on 0207 290 0616. Discover the world with Citybond Travel.
मंडी तो नहीं मान हो रही थी
50 years. We're ATOL protected.
तीन से लिया तो बराबर ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਮਰੋ ਉੱਧਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਸਹੇਲੀਆਂ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇੰਜ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਦੋ ਰੋਜ਼ ਚਲੋ ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਫਿਰ ਪਾਈ ਵਗਦੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਡਿਟੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਂ
Will you be the next millionaire?
ਇਹ ਜਿੱਤੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਉਮਰ ਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਜ਼ਰਾ
Luscious taste for your family to enjoy.
ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਮਾਮਾ ਮੀਆਂ ਟਾਈਮ ਕੱਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਿੱਡੇ ਹੀ ਸੀ ਏਡੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਚ ਅੱਜ ਹੁਣ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਕਾਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਜੇ ਕੱਲ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਸੀ ਖੇਡਦਾ ਅੰਮਾ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ 22 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ 23 ਸਾਲ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ 4-5 साल लग जाए पता को नहीं लगना तो 30 साल का अपने भी का पापा
मैं कितने साल की
बच्ची है 12 साल
वो माँ एक
मेरी कुड़ी है 15-16 साल
अब से बोली
स्लिप ना हो गया तो जाते जान के सीढ़ियां कर देंगे जान के स्लिप कर देंगे
मैं उससे बोली थी
हैं
फिर उनके साथ थी
कि मैं हम जब
ये शूज़ ये पिछले वाले शूज़ भी ऐसे थे ना कि वैसे फ्लैट से तो वो और होता है
लगता है तो जाके 12-18 पास हो गया तो किसी पता नहीं लग पाएगा सारे बंद हो गए जाके इधर नहीं चल जा सर्जरी वेखे ओपन ट्रैक मुकबल रहेगा आगा जाके बनाएगा चला जाओ भाई
Prices are guaranteed only when you book through travelup.com or call 0207 580 5000.
A37, good morning.
Time check was brought to you by travelup.com. Our lowest prices are guaranteed only when you book through travelup.com or call 0207 580 5000. Don't forget travelup.com. Rupee update brought to you by Remitly. When you send money to your loved ones with Remitly, say hello to great exchange rates and low fees.
And rupees are trading at 106.93 Indian rupees, 351.15 Pakistani rupees, 369.60 Sri Lankan rupees.
Sold to your loved ones with Remitly's competitive rates and low fees. Download the Remitly app to send money today. Remitly UK Limited is authorized and regulated by
भाई फिर ब्लाइंड हो जाती है
And don't forget, you want to reduce your bills and make sure your energy bills I'm talking about, you can do by up to 70% with Solar for Good, who are now building care homes across the UK to make the switch to solar energy, boosting sustainability, protecting against rising costs, and an experienced team providing free installations with minimal disruption to residents and staff. They are the trusted part care homes who can rely on, so make sure you call Solar for Good today on 07393 444444.
Gold Breakfast with Cargill. Gold Breakfast, sponsored by On Care Group. Compassionate carers, familiar faces, helping families live. Visit oncare.uk or call 0204 572 1888.
Hooray! Travel Hub celebrating 20th anniversary offers heavy discount on travelhubworld.com. Find the best price on holidays and flights only on travelhubworld.com. Yes, you heard it right. Travelhubworld.com.
हमसे सस्ता कहीं नहीं मिल सकता और ट्रैवल हब 24/7 और 00887828833
Or visit travelhubworld.com. Travel Hub, best service with unbeatable price at all protected. Visit travelhubworld.com.
Happy holidays! Visit Scotland, Paris or Switzerland this Christmas and get a merry day. After Audit, Mantra Holiday. What's your travel mantra? Hey, have you heard about Henley Manor? It's this stunning wedding venue just 45 minutes from central London.
Henley Manor?
What's that? Imagine driving down a tree-lit driveway and then you see this gorgeous manor house surrounded by 35 acres of garden.
Wow, that sounds magical. Do they have space for big weddings?
They've got this brand new rose garden Grand Suite and they've got 84 luxurious rooms. मतलब पूरा दिन ही खाते हैं ना?
नहीं, पूरा दिन नहीं.
मैं सारे पढ़ते थे मैं कहता दो त्रै बच्चे हो जाए तो चुप कर वीडियो बन दी
इस कड़कड़ाती ठंड में एक बढ़िया कड़क गर्मा गर्म चाय तो हाय हाय मजा आ जाए.
अरे दम तो हो गया. रॉयल चाय है ना, अब भी बन.
इतने क्यों मजबूर हो मान के तो देखो कभी किसी का कहा यूं तो हमने लाख हंसी देखे हैं तुम सा नहीं